time I see a cowboy hat, a VineBoom appears. So let's go. First server, let's go.
Bro can't move.
What is that monster? I have no idea. Purple is just a crippled little walking monster.
I know, right? Well, where is he? Where is he?
Oh god. I have no clue.
Bro, your arms are still so awkwardly weird.
Second server.
Itu nobody osa. Mama kasih memberi rasa. Kasih aku memberi somebody rasa.
He doesn't respond.
And nobody gonna rasa.
Third server. My count is... Pants.
How do y'all remember your pin though?
Fourth server.
Camera pro. Can't believe you did that, bro.
Oof.
Bro, the only server we joined is no monkeys.
Hey, yo.
Hey, hello?
Bro.
There is a monkey.
I need to run. Fifth and last server.
And have to put in a code. How to put in a code?
You can put in a random code. How about chat?
ANKA.
Sorry if there was a lack of VineBooms or cowboy hats. I guess the cowboy hat thing just died. Only saw one out of like the thousands of people playing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. I'm gonna be making another video today, I think, and love you guys. And here are all the shout outs as of today. I'm going to be shouting out 5 people randomly every single day. So, comment inside the video, and I will do random spin wheels to shout out random people, and love you guys. See you times. Love you guys. See you guys. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Do you guys really think I was going to forget all the shout outs? Here they are. And now, see you guys next time. Peace out.